We will be using two tools for keyword research. The first one is Keyword Revealer. There are a few reasons it's better to use this than the Google AdWords Keyword Planner. This tool gives you a good estimate of organic competition in the SERPs. You can't get that from the Google AdWords Keyword Planner. This tool has several filters you can apply to keyword lists. This makes searching for the right keywords very easy. It's inexpensive. It costs just $9.97 a month for the basic plan, which is all you need to do keyword research. There are a lot of other tools that you can use, Keyword K9, Longtail Pro and others, but they are more expensive. Keyword Revealer has just about everything we are interested in. The keyword difficulty score, which we will discuss in a short while, is as accurate as that of any other tool. In fact, the keyword difficulty score is all that we are really interested in. To generate keyword lists, we will be using other tools. Let's take a look at the interface now. This is what you will see once you are logged in. Click on this drop-down menu and choose Keyword Tool. There are only two tabs here. When you save a keyword, it moves to this tab labeled Saved Keywords. The basic plan allows access only to the keyword tool. You can't access the rank checker or the keyword brainstorming tool, but that's alright as we only need the keyword tool and nothing else. As mentioned earlier, we are using Keyword Revealer only to check keyword difficulty and nothing else. We will be using another tool to generate keyword lists. Keyword difficulty is a measure of how hard it will be to rank for a given keyword in the organic search results. Any keyword you want to check the difficulty score for, you need to type into the text box here, and you need to choose the location. We will choose United States. Let's type in best golf balls. Now, take a look at these filters here. There are 5 filters you can apply: a keyword filter, cost per click, average monthly searches, estimated potential earnings, and the number of words. For Amazon affiliate sites, the most commonly used phrases usually begin with best or end in reviews. Entering either of those words into the keyword filter will display only those results that have those words in them. As for this one, average monthly searches, the easiest keywords are usually those with a search volume of less than 500. That is 500 searches a month. And as the number of words increases, the keyword difficulty goes down. It is usually easier to rank phrases with 5 or more words and nearly impossible to rank for a single word. You really can't rank for golf unless you are a Fortune 500 company. But you might be easily able to rank for something like best golf balls for seniors. Now, let's take a closer look at the results. The first phrase here, best golf balls, is the one we searched for. It has 8,100 searches a month. This is the combined search volume across Google, Yahoo and Bing, and not just Google. Now, take a look at this column labeled Keyword Difficulty. Click on the blue button that says Evaluate. The tool computes the keyword difficulty for that particular keyword. Let's click the button. It's processing now. Okay, now the results are here. It says the difficulty level is 39. Now, take a look at this section, which indicates on-page SEO competition among the top 10 results. You can see whether the keyword is in the URL, title, description, and H1 tags. Ideally, We want to target keywords with competition level, that is keyword difficulty, below 23, and we want to see only no everywhere here. And we want to see at least a couple of sites with domain authority around 20 or less with almost no backlinks in the top 10. That would mean the phrase is very easy and we can rank easily. In the next video, we will take a look at the other tool we use, which is perhaps the best tool for keyword research. While using tools to check competition and keyword difficulty is nice and extremely convenient, you would not want to make the mistake of trusting any tool completely. Fact is, no tool is perfect, and even the best piece of software will always have some shortcomings. You could say keyword difficulty is a measure of the effort you need to put in to rank for a particular phrase. We rely a lot on keyword difficulty to select keywords for our websites and use Keyword Revealer to report the exact number. But Keyword Revealer is not perfect. No tool is perfect. The one problem you might want to be aware about is this. There are times when the tool reports some keyword phrase as being harder to rank than it actually is. It might say a particular keyword has a difficulty score of 30 or 35, but it actually might be as easy to rank as a keyword with a difficulty score of 20 or 25. But I have never seen it report a phrase that is hard to rank as easy. It is highly unlikely that a phrase the tool says has a difficulty score of 15 will be hard to rank. You would want to be able to spot the error when it happens. Else, you might miss out on some really easy keywords. Let's take a look at the following phrase in Keyword Revealer: Best Windshield Wiper Reviews. Let's get the keyword difficulty score. Keyword Revealer says the difficulty score is 29, way above what we are looking for, which is around 25. But you know what? The keyword is not hard to rank. It's easy, in fact. Take a look at the domain authority of the sites in the top 10 Google results. There is this domain that has a DA of 10 and has absolutely no backlinks. DA 10 is very, very low. This is a very low authority domain. If you find such a low DA domain ranking in the top 10, it certainly means the phrase is easy to rank for. Let's take a closer look at the page from the DA10 site. The on-page SEO is okay, not excellent, but just okay. The real reason this is ranking is the page has the phrase best wiper blades in the URL and in the header tag. Another thing you want to look for is this: are exact match domains available? If the .com, .net and .org are all available, it most possibly is an easy phrase to rank for, and in this case all three are available. Now take a closer look at the on-page SEO of the top 10 results, this section. None, not one of them have the exact phrase in the URL, title, description or the H1 tags. So no page in the top 10 has been optimized for this phrase, and you have a very low DA site in the top 10, and you have all of the exact match domains available. All of this means the phrase is easy to rank for. In fact, This is a very common error across several tools that compute keyword difficulty. This is why this might be happening. Suppose you have a very easy phrase that no SEO is targeting. Then, no page on the internet will be optimized for that phrase. Google then pulls results from very high authority domains and populates the top 10. So, the top 10 will be occupied by very high authority domains, but these domains are not targeting the phrase. And if the keyword tool gives a lot of weight to the DA of the domains in the top 10 while computing the score, it will report a very high number for keyword difficulty. But then, since none of the pages in the top 10 are actually targeting the phrase, any SEO can build a page on a relevant site, optimize it well, and rank easily in the top 10 without any link building. Let's see a couple more such examples. Let's now check best dishwasher under 1000. Let's evaluate the keyword difficulty. Keyword Revealer says the difficulty score for this keyword is 35, way above our acceptable level. But then take a closer look at the top 10 results. What do you see? There's a site here with a domain authority of 1 and no links whatsoever. And hardly any of the top 10 results seem to have been optimized for the phrase. Also, the exact match domains are all available. Let's take a look at the DA1 site that's ranking in the top 10. The site is ranking with a relatively short article of around 300 words. The only reason it's ranking is because it has the phrase in the URL and in the H1 tags. Now, take a look at the on-page SEO of the top 10 results. There's hardly any optimization. This is an easy phrase to rank, but the tool is saying it has a keyword difficulty of 35. In reality, it's much lower than that. Let's take a look at another one, best baby diaper rash cream. Let's evaluate keyword difficulty. The tool says the keyword difficulty score is 15. The phrase gets 170 searches a month and none of the top 10 results have been optimized for the phrase. And all of the exact match domains are available. Looks like a keyword you absolutely must go after. Suppose you found a keyword like this, one with keyword difficulty score well below 20, with all of the exact match domains available, and no result in the top 10 has been optimized. Should you rush to get the content written and put up a page? Well, you would want to do more research. You see, sometimes there are no competitors for a reason, especially when it comes to any product that has to do with health, more so with the health of toddlers. Sometimes Google does not rank pages in the medical niche that do not meet its stringent criteria. If the page does not look like it's written by an expert, Google may not rank it, no matter how good the on-page SEO is or how powerful a few of the links are. In such cases, when you are just getting into a niche, you always want to see whether any other affiliate sites are ranking in the top 10 or top 20 before building your page. So, let's check the top 10 results and see if there are any Amazon affiliate sites in the top 10. I have already analyzed the top 10 results and I have found at least a couple of affiliate sites here. This one is an affiliate site. Just hover your mouse cursor over the link and you see the target in the status bar. The link leads to Amazon.com, and so this is an Amazon affiliate link. This one here is also an Amazon affiliate site. Just scroll down and you see this buy from Amazon link here. This is an Amazon affiliate link. So there are at least 2 Amazon affiliate sites ranking for this in the top 10. So this is a very good sign. If you target this phrase, you will be able to rank for it very easily. Sometimes Google do not rank affiliate sites for some searches. If you find a keyword with seemingly excellent metrics like keyword difficulty less than 20 and so on, and if you are just getting into the niche, you always want to check the top 20 to see if other Amazon affiliate sites are ranking. If no Amazon affiliate site is ranking in the top 20 for a phrase, it might not be a good idea to go after that.